These units are made in China and are only sold through dealers in the USA and Canada by Carrier Media North America, a joint venture between Carrier Corporation and Media Group. All of the units have a durable powder coat finish on the outdoor units to keep the units looking good for many years. They have refrigerant leak detection but only use standard washable filters, which are not as good as many other brands. The DLCERBA units, a part of their Performance series, are premium 20-seer air conditioners, while the DLCERB models are heat pumps. Both have inverter compressors and they are backed by a good warranty. They are available in either 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems, and both the indoor units and the outdoor units are very quiet. The QuietComfort DLCSRB models are premium single-zone heat pumps with a 26.4 SEER efficiency, while the DLCMRB models can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 23 SEER efficiency rating. The DLCPRB models, a part of their Deluxe Series, offer premium heat pumps with a 27 SEER efficiency rating, but they only have the standard washable filters, which do not effectively help the indoor air quality. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.